Hey, ever needed to send a file that's too big for email or want to give a group of friends access to a collection of photos without the hassle of individual emails? Well, Google Drive has a simpler way to do that. You can share any file or folder to any number of people with just a link. Let me show you how. Open Google Drive, select the file that you want to share, click More Actions, hover over the Share option, click Share. Now you will see a new window where you will find different options to share this file. At the top, you will find a box where you can add different emails. After adding the emails, you can select the role, whether you want this person to just view this file, you want them to add comments, or you want them to edit the file. Just select the role that you want to give to them, and after selecting the role, you can either check notify or uncheck notify option. When you check this option, you can add a message and send an email to them. And that's it. They can now have access to this file. You can also copy the link and share it. So, this was about adding the email addresses of specific people and sharing this file particularly with them. But consider this scenario when you want to share this file with so many people, adding the email addresses individually and sharing it will not be convenient. So, you can copy the link and share it with any number of people. Above this copy link button, you will find the access mode of this file. Currently, it is set to restricted. Just click on it. You will find the option anyone with the link. If you have a company account instead of a Gmail account, you will also be able to see the name of your company here. So, as I am a Gmail user, I'm able to see only two options, that is restricted and anyone with the link. But if you have a company account, then you can see restricted, your company name, and anyone with the link. So, in that case, you can choose your company name if you want to share that file internally with the company members. And for us, the Gmail users, we can use anyone with the link, then select the role and copy the link to share. Now, using this link, anyone can view your file and also add comments. Now, let us talk about some settings that you can find here. When you click settings, you can control what editors and viewers can do. Right now, editors can change permissions and share. For example, they can add other person as a commenter or viewers and also as editors. And below it, you can read that viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy this file. You can control whether the editors, viewers, and commenters can take these actions or not by enabling or disabling them here. So that's it about how to share the links on Google Drive. I hope you found this helpful. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.